What is up, guys? I just want to say thank you to Saad Ali for creating Forex for Beginners Academy. I've learned so much during this course, this free course from Saad Ali, and I can confidently say that I know how to draw trend lines and how to enter trades and when to take profits and how to draw Fibonacci retracements. I started off this academy with no knowledge at all, and now I know how Forex works, and I'm still learning, but I'm just grateful for where I am now and how this course has helped me out, how the Forex private students group has helped me out, where I post my charts and Saad Ali will review them, and other students will also give me their feedbacks on the charts that you post on the Forex for Beginners private group. So I just want to say thank you to Saad Ali for all that you have done, and thank you for sharing your knowledge with us. And we of Students for Beginners Academy are extremely grateful for that there, and I hope other people will also take this opportunity to learn. Thanks, man.